We came out to TPC Toronto, and they've expressed a large interest, a big interest in Spiio soil sensors. So we've come out to install some Spiio soil sensors. Spiio soil sensors are a wireless soil sensor that collects light data if you're interested, but largely it's moisture, temperature, and salinity. By and large, they're installing them in greens and tees, sometimes in fairways, trying to get data to make decisions on treatment timings for, say, weeds, for diseases. They're looking for information on moisture readings on their putting greens so that they can dry down, especially for a tournament such as the one that's about to be held here. And also salinity issues. People who are turf managers who are using effluent water or water that's high in bicarbonate and sodium, they'll look at that salinity data to figure out when it's time to flush.
So we're here today, and we've been given the opportunity to install Spios across the property leading into our tournament that we're hosting to give us a better sight line on moisture levels, disease pressure, temperature, weather forecasting, all useful tools that are in the palm of your hand. When you look at your phone, they're right there to make some determinations, to forecast potential agronomy practices, fertilization, etc. Decided across the property a few key areas, 18 green, which we're on right now, being one of them, wide open to the prevailing winds that come in, and it gives us a good sight line on moisture levels, where they're at, and how they're depleting through the course of the day, and how we're going to manage our watering that evening. A couple of other locations that we've decided to put them in is our new putting green on the short game area, which is new course construction. Doesn't have that organic layer built up yet, and we tend to find the moisture just wicks right through. The rink hole, again, had a lot of work done to it 2 years ago during construction. The tee complex is brand new, and just having a line of sight on that for the tournament will be of value. But on top of that, we've taken any overhead irrigation out of the equation, and we're manually watering it now till after the tournament when all the grandstands come down. That green as well is open to the prevailing winds, which it's an indicator green for us that dries up really fast as well. So having them located in those two areas will give us a good line of sight on where we're at daily and what the needs are going to be on that hole.